Welcome to Tilhal Swayhan Sand Drag Race Centre, and we're going to be running some crazy off-road beasts down this sandy drag strip here in Abu Dhabi. So here we have this thing that has 1700 horsepower. This one though, 4,000 horsepower. This is going to be mad. The Polaris RZR Pro R has a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, 225 horsepower, 206 newton meters of torque, all-wheel drive. It weighs 1,050 kilograms and costs $39,000. The Can-Am Maverick R XRS has a 1-litre turbocharged 3-cylinder petrol engine, 240 horsepower, 209 newton meters of torque, and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox. It weighs 1,100 kilograms and costs £42,000. So this is a little bit unusual. Never done this before, but I think it's going to be a lot of fun. We're actually going to race over 100 meters. After 100 meters, the sand gets pretty sketchy and we could roll and I could die. In fact, I could still roll and I could still die. Now, these vehicles are pretty closely matched. We've got similar horsepower, similar weight. They're both auto. Obviously, as drivers, we've got very similar skill levels.
Sound check.
I'm going to go first. 1 litre turbo, 3-cylinder. Let's have a listen to yours. Yeah, Nachi Aspray, 2 litre, 4-cylinder. Which one sounds the meanest, Maverick R or RZR?
RZR. It's more racy.
The Maverick? That's like Top Gun. Speaking of Top Gun.
See? Planes.
Yeah, right. Put yours on.
No, I don't have them.
What about sand in your eye?
Thanks, Under Armour.
Let's go. Come on! Yes! That was wicked! Race over, let's go home.
Formal protest. Think you jumped.
No, I didn't.
No, I want another go though.
3, 2, 1.
Come on! Oh, it's close this time, come on! Come on! Oh, mate, that's 1 heat. Final race, let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
I think you might have been a bit slow off the line.
I was slow off the line. I'm calling a jump. I don't care about any forfeit you want. That was a jump.
You did slightly jump.
Matt jumped. Yeah, okay, I thought so.
Let's go again.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, Sam, well done. You won. Best time of 3. Got to hand it to you. It was blooming close, though. There was no jump there, was there? You see Will's hands? Look, you can see him jumping already. Can you see him moving already? Samuel, guess what, mate? You jumped.
Ah!
3, 2, 1.
I don't think either of us jumped that time, finally.
Yeah, I think that was a pretty good launch. That's just got a little bit of legs, hasn't it?